So let's explore our maths chapter number 16, Art of Maths. Okay. So here we have a picture of a chessboard. And have you ever noticed that in a chessboard, after a black box, there's always comes a white box, then again a black box, then a white box, then black box, and it keeps on repeating either in the horizontal form or in the vertical. That here also after a black box there is a white box, then a black, and then a white box, right? Yes. And what does it form? It forms a pattern of black and white that we usually see in a chessboard, right? Yes. So in our today's session, we are going to learn about different types of patterns. Okay. So let me tell you what types of patterns we are going to explore. We are going to explore about repeating patterns, growing patterns, and reducing patterns. Okay. So let's start with repeating patterns first. Okay. So here we have a picture of a t-shirt that is blue and white in color. Let me tell you, it has a pattern also. Which pattern? The t-shirt has a repeated pattern of blue and white strips. Okay? Can you see it here? Right, that after every blue strip, a white strip is being repeated, right? Yes, so it forms a pattern, that is repeated pattern. Okay? Now, let's explore the different types of repeated patterns also. Let's start with picture pattern. Here we have three planets pictures, right? This is one, second, and third. And on the fourth place, we have the first image again repeated, right? And in the fifth place, we have the second picture being repeated. And in the sixth place, we have the third picture being repeated. Okay? And we can see the same set or group of pictures are being repeated in the same order. So we can observe an A, B, C pattern here. That if we name this planet as A, this as B, and this as C, we can see A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So we can say here a repeated pattern of A, B, C pictures is being formed, right? Yes, this we call a picture pattern when the pictures are being repeated, right? Yes. Now, let me see if you can answer this one. What will come next in this picture pattern? Can you guess it? Okay, let's do it together. We have one rocket picture, then another rocket picture, then another. Okay, till here we had three pictures of rocket. Now, is this fourth picture similar to the first one? Yes. And is this fifth picture similar to the second one? Yes. And is the sixth picture similar to the third one? Correct. So we can say it is again forming a ABC pattern because the first three pictures of rockets are being repeated. Now in the seventh place we see a white rocket again. That was our first rocket. So what will come next? If we repeat it as ABC, if we name this one as A, this one as B, and this one is C, what will come next here? That is blue one, right? And we can say it as a blue rocket for B pattern, right? We can name it as A, B, C, A, B, C, and A, B, correct. So that B one is blue rocket, right? Yes, well done. Now, let's explore shape and color pattern. Okay, here we observe a shape of purple color, right? Yes. And then we have a shape of orange color, right? And again we see a purple color shape, then the orange color shape, right? and we can see it is being repeated in the same way. So we name it as A, this purple shape as A, and if this orange shape is B, we can say an AB pattern is being forming. The shapes and color are being repeated in the AB pattern. That is A, B, A, B, A, B, A and B, right? Yes, so we have learned about two patterns, repeated patterns that are AB, AB and the other one is ABC and ABC, right? Well done. Here we covered the shape and color pattern. Now let me see if you can answer this one. What will come next here? Okay, so what we are going to do at first, we are going to find the pattern here. Okay, so here we have one triangle, then a same triangle is being repeated. Yes, yes. Then we have a square, right? Okay, so if we name it as A and this is also A, then that will be a B, right? Because these both are shapes are same and same color. So we are going to say A, B. Then again A, B. Then A. What should come in here? Again a blue triangle, right? Yes, correct. Well done, students. Till now, we have explored our picture pattern and shape and color pattern. Now, let's move to third pattern, that is a line pattern. Okay, in this, what we use? We use lines to form any shape or thing. Okay, here we have formed an arrow using the line. Okay, so we can see one arrow, the same arrow is being repeated, and third one is horizontally placed, right? Again we can see the two arrows are being repeated with the horizontal one, two arrows with the horizontal one. So what do you see here? Correct. It is also a repeated pattern in the form of AAB, AAB, AAB. Right. Well done, students. Now, let me see if you can answer this. What will come next here? Let's see. If we name this one as A, right, and this line shape as B, then we can see the third one is being repeated as the first, right? And the fourth one is same as the second one. And the same pair of these two is being repeated next, right? Yes, so we can observe an AB pattern here, that is A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Then what will come next? That is B. And what is B here? This shape, right? With the line. Correct. So the answer is this one. Okay? Well done. Now let's move further with our number pattern. Okay? Here we can see the repeated pattern is being formed using numbers. So what does the repeated means? Means the same numbers are being repeated. Here we have a 3, then a 4. 3, 4, 3, 4. And if we continue this pattern and repeating the same digits or numbers, we will form a number pattern, right? Yes. So here the pattern is A, B, A, B, A, B. Right? Yes. Well done. Now, let me see if you can answer this. What will come next here? Okay. Look for the pattern that is being formed here first. Correct. The 2 is being repeated and then we have a 0. We have two 2's, then 0. Two 2's, then what will come? A 0, right? Yes. So to complete this pattern, we will need a 0 here, right? Yes. Well done, students. Now, keep exploring and keep learning about the patterns of numbers, pictures, shapes and lines. Then, till then, have fun while you learn.